My trip. Last summer, I went on a trip with my family to the mountains. We packed our bags, got in the car, and drove for a long time. Along the way, we saw many beautiful sights, like green fields, blue lakes, and tall trees. When we arrived at the mountain lodge, we checked in and went to our room. It was cozy and warm, with a fireplace and a balcony. We unpacked our things and decided to explore the area. We took a cable car up to the top of the mountain, where we saw snow and ice. It was very cold, but also very fun. We made snowmen, threw snowballs, and slid down the slopes. We also saw some animals, like rabbits, squirrels, and birds. The next day, we went hiking in the woods. We followed a trail that led us to a waterfall. It was loud and powerful, spraying water everywhere. We took some pictures and enjoyed the view. We also found some wild berries and ate them. They were sweet and juicy. On the last day of our trip, we went to a nearby town and visited a museum. It had many interesting exhibits about the history and culture of the mountain people. We learned a lot of new things and had fun playing with some interactive displays. We had a great time on our trip and made many memories. We thanked the lodge staff for their hospitality and said goodbye to the mountains. We got back in the car and drove home, feeling happy and relaxed.